everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your PlayStation Network password on your PS4. So go up to the top to settings and select this. Go to account management and then go to account information. Now here you're probably going to have to verify your identity. So go to the PlayStation app on your phone if you have this and go to settings in the top and then go to scan QR code. Just scan that real quick and it'll log you in without having to type in the password. And then go on down to where it says security. And go on down on here until we get to password. Change your password. And then you can type in your current password. And then go on down to new password. And confirm your password. And that should take effect. And that'll be how you log in now in the future. So very easy to do. Now if you ever forget your password and you come to this section, there will be an option at the bottom where you just have to press triangle to reset it, and it will send it to your email address where you can just type in a new password. So press triangle on the sign-in page and then you can reset it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.